So in this video we will organize our form, and for that what we will do, we will use Materialize form, because as you guys already know we are going to use Materialize for the designing purpose. So let's see how we can use it. So yeah, inside the div we are going to use this class name row. So let's just use it first. Class name row. Then we are going to use this col s12, that will be here. So then it's time for the label and input, and what we will do, we will keep them in a div. So for that, let's just create our div. Okay, if I can create it properly, Control X, and let's paste it here. We'll use the class name, and we will give it an input field, this. Okay, great. And I think I have to put them all in another div. Yep, and let's do that also. Let's Control S, but one thing we have to do here, that is inside input we will give it a class name and validate. I think that's what, yeah. Okay, so now what we will do, we will see how is it looking. Okay, so as you guys can already see, it's looking not that great, but yeah, it's looking good, not bad. I think we have still some things to do. We will copy this and I'm gonna end it here. That again, the same thing. Let's save this, see how is it looking. Oops, we got an error. I made a mistake here. Let's find out what is it. Let's be okay. That's bad. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, now it's looking not that great, but yeah, not bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna use normal color here, like input level color. Yeah, so let's see, let's copy this and let's see how it works. So color black. So now as you can see, the color has changed. So let's see what we can do next. Let's try to find something related to buttons. Yeah, we have buttons here, so let's copy this button. What is this? Web effect, web light button. Okay, let's see what we have. Submit class button. Okay, let's use this one. Post component, class name equals to okay, that's pathetic. Now if I save this, as you can see, we have a nice submit button here, but yeah, we will try to change it later, but for now, yeah, it's looking good. I don't have any complaint for now. We'll see if we have anything later, but let's just use something like a post title. Okay, let's just use proper post title. How to learn programming. Post description, let's just give it a test for now, and image link also test. And as you can see, we are getting those data here. we have this description, link and title. So now what we will do, we will add those data inside our state, app state. So let's see how we can do that. So first let's create a function add post, of course, which will be arrow function. We will give it a posts here, and inside our component we will send that function as a property. Add post, you can use whatever name you want. I just want to use this one, equals to this dot add post. Now I'll save this. Inside our add post component we will grab this data here, dot props dot add post. That's the function, I think. Yeah, that's it. And inside that we will use this dot state. Let's save it, and here inside console.log we will give it a post. So now if I save this, go to the browser, let's see if it is working properly or not. Test, submit. Yeah, it's working properly. Now we have to save this data inside our state. So let's see how we can save it inside our state, I mean inside this array. So let's do that now. So for the ID we will use post dot id equals to math. We'll use the random function, random. But when you will use database, it will automatically generate ID for you. But for now we will use math.random. Then we will set our state. So let's write that. But before that we need to grab this array inside our equal to this dot state dot post, because we are grabbing this and we are grabbing this both, and inside this state we will keep post equal to post. So if I save this now, we will get an error. So what is this error? Yeah, we have to define it. For that we will use let. This is a variable. Okay, we have to change one more thing here. This is it with this condition. And what we will do, okay, let's just totally remove it. It's returning, it's deleted. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah, we have post 2 here. Now if I use test and submit this, as you can see we have it. So let's just grab our link. So in app.js, let's use this link again. Save. And if I close my terminal, and here this is post title. Okay, we will give the link here. This is description. Now let's submit, and as you can see we have it and it's working perfectly. We are successfully adding our post now. So with this video I think we are done here. In next episode we will see what is route, and we will implement it in this project, and we will see how we can implement route in a React project. And with all that, I'll end this video here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it or not, and I'll see you next time. Bye.